Mumbai. We decided go to the village with my family, and we will show for Mangesh about villagers, about life, and after this video you can show about journey Mangesh in Yakutsk, coldest city in the world. See you later. Oh. It's native house in the summer.
Wow.
Looks like in museum.
Yes.
Yeah.
I saw this museum.
Yes.
But
Muzey Yakut bitte.
Wow.
Muzey Yakut bitte mande. And bed in near wall. Oh. Yeah. He sleep here.
And you put fire here.
And in summer so hot he used conditioner.
Air conditioner.
Yes. Yeah, it's like this.
Yeah.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Yeah,
55 rubles.
55 rubles.
Yeah. Bread 50 rubles. And this, you know, India puri.
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 Like puri, it's
Yes.
65 rubles.
65.
65 rubles.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go. Let's go for it, huh? Боевой одет. Говори диски.
Yes, I'm coming Yakut village.
Yeah, in Namse.
Namse.
Nam.
And
Ga-
is
Gabriel.
Gabriel and
Rimma.
Rima. Here is my brother, friend,
Parents.
parents. I'm coming for village and eat Yakutian
Cuisine. Yes. Александр.
Пусти киен турат тэмми таахтам.
Авна кандай гэдэг вэ?
Богоо бэр.
Онцгой таана.
Богоо бэр.
It's a grass. Mangesh. In summer, cutting grass.
Grass.
Yeah, and prepare for winter.
Wow. You see, new man.
Yeah.
That's why. Oh.
Hangaki he can listen. Yeah.
Corner.
Mana Benny tak? Benny John dah.
Oh, Allah.
Ah.
No wind.
He put here dress.
Dress, and I saw to put cow tati
Yeah.
and clothes.
Yeah.
Same India also.
Yes.
Yes.
Ah.
Same India also.
Yes. And at now he take a banana. Yes.
So freeze, yeah? Yes, so freezing. You can take gloves. And,
Minus 50.
Minus 50.
If you don't have a hammer, you can use banana.
Yes. Minus 50.
you can try with apple. Apple. Yes. Yeah, red apple.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yes. You know, dear friends, we show you about what's happened fruits in outside. You can eat and work without hammer.
Yes.
Yeah, eating and use banana like a hammer. See you later.